Good morning. It's us again. We're doing this furnace oil to propane conversion in a mobile home. Okay. Everything's straightforward upstairs until we have to change the gas line or convert the oil line to gas line, because look at what I have to go into here. It's tight, very tight. So I mean, it's just right there. It's just tight. Ah, I wish I'm still skinnier, but I have to go there no matter what. It's just our job. So if that block is 8 inches, that's 16 inches. So, but there is that thing there. So the clearance is about 12 inches. So really tight spot. But hey, you gotta do the work. Don't be picky. Just do the work and get it done. Okay? So inside is here. That's what we got here. So I'll change that out. It's a straightforward job. It's just that it's tight, but work is work. Work through the winter. We should be all good. That's it.